Here's a skin tone test with the Zcam E2. I'm using the Tokina 50-135 Mark II cinema lens for all these samples. It was shot in Rec 709 and color graded slightly with Final Cut Pro 10's onboard tools, mainly using the color wheels. I like the skin tones a lot. The ISO was set for 500 with all these samples. Here's an example of before and after a slight grade was added. Very easy to color grade, even when you mess up the white balance like I did a couple of times. This was a little more challenging outdoors, no sun, so I used two Astras very close into the face to get some color and light on the skin. I overexposed this shot a little bit, but it edited very easily in Final Cut Pro 10. Skin tones fall right into place when you edit in post. It also helps if you nail your white balance. All in all, yeah, it looks pretty good to me. This video is just a small portion of the full review that's on Newsshooter.com, so make sure you head over there and check out the Zcam E2 full hands-on review. Thanks for watching.